got the new Ipsy mystery bags, the Galactic Glow and Glow All Night. So if you want to check these guys out and see if it's worth the money, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me. I don't know if the fan is really loud for you guys in the background, but I have to have it on to be bearable. And Chloe is taking a little nap. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have a couple of the newest Ipsy mystery bundles. This is the Galactic Glow bag. So this is with, it was $15. You're going to get 5 deluxe samples, maybe a full size. You never know what you're going to get in here. And it does come in a bag. I kind of tossed everything in here. I try not to really pay attention to what was in there. But the bag is really cute. It kind of has that different colors in there. And then it's mint green on the inside. And here's a sneak peek. I did notice there were some good sized products and some teeny tiny. So the first product that I see is, it looks like a primer mist. It is the Manic Dar Hydration Happy Hydrating Face Mist. Now, interestingly enough, this is an award winner for New Beauty in 2022, which leads me to wonder if the product from 2022. I've gotten the full size of this numerous times. I can't say that I've ever used it, not for any particular reason other than I just have so many different mists, but I'm sure it's a nice one. I don't see an expiration date, so I guess it doesn't expire until you've opened it. It is cruelty free, and it looks like it has a 12-month once you open it period of expiration. So it does have aloe leaf extract in here, Rosa Carina flower extract, some witch hazel, some jasmine flower extract, so it probably has a nice scent to it. It does also have fragrance in it, so for those of you who don't like fragrance, it is alcohol based, so there is alcohol in there, and seawater. So, interesting little list of ingredients. Next is the Neogen Naturals Dermatologist Tested V Biome Advanced Eye Cream. This is 10 milliliters. And what do we have in here? It says it helps hydrate, firm the saggy and wrinkle-prone areas around the eye. And it does not have any list of ingredients, probably because it's a tiny little guy. But it says anti-wrinkle, brightening, moisture, and firming. It's a nice size for an eye cream. Alright, this is the tiny guy. This is the Biro New York Black Cherry Plump Lip Oil. I do have the full size of this. I do really like it. And Biro New York is a cruelty-free brand. It does have a somewhat dark color to it, but because it's a lip oil, you're not going to get it's not going to look like a bright red. Next, by Toy Factory, we have the Dream Set. This has got hyaluronic acid in it, and what is it? I'm guessing it's a setting powder. Hyaluronic acid and niacinamide serum palette. I'm going to guess it's a setting powder, but I could be wrong just by the name Dream Set. Could be, oh no, it's an eyeshadow. Oh, that's pretty. I think it's an eyeshadow. This color is called Isha, and it doesn't say, but I'm going to guess. Could be a highlighter. Could be both. I guess you could use it for both. It doesn't say. Oh, highlight. It's something about highlighter palette. All right, so that is a highlighter. And then the last item in here is by Tatcha. It's their Hinoki Body Wash in Forest Awakening. Yum, yum, that sounds good. Let's see. Ooh, ooh, that is very nice. It's very fresh. Very fresh. I really like it. It may have a little bit of a bergamot or something in there. Some little kind of zest scent. All right, so not a bad bag. I mean, I'm loving the smell of that, and that's a good size. It's 50 milliliters. I mean, not a full size, but a good size deluxe sample. And this is a lip product, so not so bad. I love this lip product too. Good size eye cream. And a spray, which could be Origin 2022, who knows. And then, oops, this pretty highlighter by Toyco. And Toyco always infuses their products with skincare ingredients, so I do like that. All right, so here is the second one. This also has all that shimmer. And the inside has this pretty design. Here's a little sneak peek. And right out the gate, we have by Ofra the Candy Apple Blush. And so it says Candy Apple, but it's not as dark as you would think. And you can definitely have that look nice on your skin, nice and white. Then we have a Pinky D Beauty Had Me at Primer. This says an illuminating primer. This Ofra Cosmetics is cruelty-free. This company is cruelty-free. Pretty little bottom. From Huda Beauty, we have a faux filler. This is some sort of lip product in Sugar Baby. It's an extra shine lip gloss. Now, we haven't seen a lot of Huda Beauty in a while in Ipsy. Last time I saw it was BoxyCharm. Maybe some of those tiny palettes we've seen in the store. So it's nice to get a Huda Beauty product. Looks good. Pretty color. From Shayna B, we have the Miami lip liners, and it doesn't say the colors on the outside. It is a set of 2 lip liners. All right, we have Berry Beach and Blush Bay. So there is the Blush Bay. That's a real pretty color. And then it even has a little smudger. Kind of smudge it out a little bit. And then here is the Berry Beach. And that also looks nice with that gloss. And then smudge it out a little bit. Nice. Okay. I'm not mad about that. And then the last the last product in here is the Mercy Handy Facial Cleansing Gel. It's got salicylic acid, zinc glutamate, and niacinamide. So full of some great ingredients. This is PETA certified. And is this anything, no, made in France. It's a scent. Ooh, I feel like it smells like Mr. Bubbles. I could be misremembering the scent, but that scent is very familiar to me, and it just brings back thoughts of Mr. Bubbles, which as a kid I loved. Alright, so those are the 2 bags that I got, and of course you could get something different in yours, because when they restock, they typically add different items, so you'll have some of the same, maybe some different, but I think that I'm not mad about that. I mean, just in the Oprah alone, I got my value back. So, I'm not mad about that. Now, also, I did order for, I think it was $12, the Natasha Denona Mini Zendo palette. So this is meant to be complementary with the Zendo palette, which I had gotten in a past, I think, BoxyCharm. So those colors are very lovely. That's going to be a real nice look. Alright, so here are the colors. I ran out of room, but pretty. I like that. I think that's going to work out very nicely. And then I got a free item. So they were running like if you spent X amount in the store, you got a free item. And what I got was the Joy Soothing Scalp Serum. Now I think I did get this in a previous box. And so this has fermented apple cider vinegar, algae, and blueberry. And it says inside to unfold to discover how fermentation benefits your scalp. So I'm just going to read in here without unfolding it. It can increase antioxidant levels in ingredients. I guess the fermentation will do that. Enhance product absorption, strengthen and improve hair texture, reduce irritation, dandruff, and inflammation, locks in moisture, improves scalp hydration, exfoliates and renews, stimulates collagen production, and promote hair growth and thickness. It's cruelty-free, purposeful design, utilizing recycled materials, embracing natural process, and utilizes renewable superfoods. You're going to section your hair off and massage 2 to 3 drops directly onto dry scalp. Do not rinse. And the key ingredients are fermented blueberry, witch hazel, rice water, and carrot. It's free from sulfates, parabens, phthalates, silicone, gluten, and DEA. And it's designed in California, although I don't know where it's made. It's made from 100% post-consumer recyclable materials. And it says fermented ingredients give rise to amino and lactic acids and are known for their powerful benefits and increased potency and penetration. Alright, I don't know that I've used my other one yet. So I can't really tell you how it works. But now I'm really like wanting to get that one to try. Alright, well, that's all I have for now. Please let me know what was your favorite item and do you think the bags were worth it? Were they duds? Are you glad I spent the money on it and you did? I'm okay to hear that. I don't think they're bad. I gotta say, I think there were some little gems in there. All right. Well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully, I'll see you soon.